Hi everyone, this is Moria from Edinburgh Blooms. I make bag organisers, bag shapers, bag accessories, dust bags, and today I want to show you my newest product, which is the base protector. Now this one has been made for a customer by request. I have made it before for another bag. I'm going to show it to you and explain how to use it, as well as maybe show you how to make it. I'm not going to make it like in a proper video. I'm just going to explain how to do it. It's not complicated. You can try and do it yourself if you want. Maybe have a bag that needs it, maybe like a Chanel. It doesn't have to be a Louis Vuitton. But if you're not able to do it yourself, obviously get in touch. My website is in the comments, and let me know if you need any help with your bag. So we've got a common problem with the Vachetta bottom bags of the Louis Vuitton, which is first of all scuffs, but the main thing that I know worries customers is stains. So this will stain at some point. It would be probably something that you weren't planning to do, but you maybe put it down on a wet surface and it soaks up the water and it's very hard to clean. So you would need to part with some money if you want someone to clean it, and I don't even know if you can clean it 100%. So let's say you bought a new Noe BB or an Alma BB, or it could be a different bag. It could be an Alba PM, it could be a Noe. It could be an older bag that doesn't look very good and you just want to keep it the way it is. You don't want to make it worse. What you do is make a little base protector. I'll show you how I use it, just to show you how it works. Okay, it's got some elastics inside. You could put a little heart, you can keep it plain. This is also good for colour transfer. So if you've got a lot, like you're wearing a lot of jeans and you're worried about maybe getting some stains on it, you know, at some point, like some kind of colour transfer from your jeans, then of course that is also a very good solution. So I'm going to put it on, I'll show you how it works, and then I'll move on to the mini tutorial part of it. Okay, I don't use it for my bag, but I've actually went and used it for a wee while, just for an hour or two, and the way the bag sits doesn't get in the way. So this protector does not get caught. It doesn't actually get dirty from wearing it because this bag is crossbody, and it just keeps it clean. If you put it on any surface, it will keep it nice and clean. Okay, so we've got the elastic band, and that kind of holds it into place. Okay. And if it does get dirty, like I said, a hand wash of your protector should be cleaning it up. You know, dry it in natural air. Don't put it in a dryer because felt can shrink. Okay. If you're maybe possibly doing things with leather, you can try leather. I'm sure that will work as well. If you're not fussy about, you know, you don't have felt, or you want to just put something funky, any type of colour material would work. It just takes a bit of trial and error. So this is what I was going to say when I'm moving on to the tutorial part of the video. So the way you would measure your bag, before I show you what you actually cut, where's my measuring tape? Sorry, back. Okay, measuring tape. I'm going to do centimeters because that's how I work. If you do inches, you're in America or somewhere else, you like to do inches, not a problem at all. You take your bag, okay, base protector off, and you measure, and write it down because you don't want to get confused. You measure this part, okay, then you measure the long part, okay, and then you measure the other side again, and you add it all up. Okay, now you do the same thing the other way. So you measure this part, and this part, and you add them all together, and what you come up with is a rectangle or a square. It depends on the shape of your bag. The Noe BB is rectangle. You end up with a rectangle, which you would need to cut the corners from, okay, and fold it in to sew them like this. So every corner, this is the long way, this is the shorter way, and these are your rims. Okay, so you take a sewing machine, or you can do it by hand. You can do it by hand, it will take you longer, and you sew the corners up, okay, like that. I'll do it really quick just to show you how it looks. I've got some pins and some clips. Okay, so this is one side of the protector for your bag, okay? So you sewed here and here, and you do the same for this side. And you end up with a rectangle or a square, depends on the shape of your bag, okay? After you've sewn this up and closed them all up, okay, you take elastic. You have to stretch the elastic. If you don't stretch it, it will not hold on to the bag. And you sew it like this, inside, along, all the way inside, okay, to make it look like this. All around this is stretched. You can see it's stretched because the felt's getting wavy here, okay, and you put it on your bag. So you could do it by hand. Just remember measuring 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, and you come up with the shape of the base and you put your elastics, okay? If you have any problems and you can't do it yourself, you just want someone to make it for you, you get in touch with me. Otherwise, give it a go, see how you get on. It might do wonders. Last thing, if you've got Chanel, I've seen people do it for Chanel for storage. Like obviously you might not want it on your Chanel because you're walking around with it, it's lovely and pretty. But just to protect it and keep it nice and safe, you could do the same for your Chanel. You can colour match it, you could do something funky, like even like a furry cover for the base, just to store it really nicely. I think that could be really pretty. So, you know, just go with your creativity. If you didn't do it right, just get another piece of fabric and have another go. Just maybe just tweaks and trial and error, really. You know, once you've seen it on your base, you'll know if you've done it right. And I wish you good luck. And if you need anything else, you can find me on my Instagram, my Facebook and my website. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.